Hi everyone, today's job lead is for people with an accounts or finance degree, and this is a remote work from home opportunity. The location is India, so people from India can apply for the job, and the job role is accounting analyst. Here, this is a full-time remote job where you are required to work Monday to Friday. And now let's check out about the role. So the company's name is Ardem Incorporated. This is a BPO company, that is business process outsourcing, and the company's headquarter is based in India, Lucknow. Now here is about the role. Here they have written that we are seeking a skilled and detail oriented accounting analyst to join our team. The accounting analyst will be responsible for managing various financial tasks, including handling compliances related to PF or retiring benefits, ESI, uh, filing TDS and income tax computations, and maintaining accurate records of financial transactions. The the successful candidate will also be responsible for entering payable entries from bills and credit card statements into QuickBooks, creating invoices, and processing payroll entries. Strong knowledge of compliance regulations and excellent English communications are essential for this role. So here, so here's about the company. Ardem Incorporated used to provide specialized boutique outsourcing and business automation solutions in the US and abroad. Now let's check out about the requirements that the company is looking for in their candidates. So for its account analyst role, the company is looking for people with bachelor's degree in accounting, finance, or a related field. And you should have proven experience in bookkeeping, accounting, or a similar financial role. You should have strong knowledge of compliances related to PF, retiring benefits, ESI, TDS, and income tax. You should have experience in using accounting software, preferably QuickBooks, and you should be proficient in English communication, both written and verbal. And you should be detail oriented with strong analytical and problem solving skills. You should be able to work independently as well as a part of a team. And you should have high level of accuracy and attention to detail. You should be able to handle confidential and sensitive information with professionalism and discretion. You should have excellent time management and organizational skills. And this is a work from home opportunity where you will be having flexibility to work in the evening shift, where you will be required to work from 6 p.m. till 3 a.m. So, as I said, that this is a BPO company and the job is for accounting analyst, and you will be required to work remotely from home from Monday till Friday. And this is a full-time opportunity where you will be required to work from 6 p.m. in the evening until 3 a.m. in the morning. Now let's check out about the responsibilities that you can expect if you get selected. So if you get selected, so as an accounting analyst, you need to ensure compliance with relevant regulations and laws pertaining to PF, retiring benefits, ESI, TDS, and income tax. You need to prepare and file necessary documents and reports related to compliances accurately and with deadlines. You need to record financial transactions and maintain updated and accurate financial records. You need to enter payable entries from bills and credit card statements into QuickBooks or other accounting software. You need to generate and process invoices, ensuring accuracy and timely delivery to clients. You need to compute and process payroll entries, including deductions and benefits. You need to reconcile financial discrepancies by investigating and resolving discrepancies as needed. You need to assist in preparing financial statements and reports as required. You need to collaborate with the financial team to streamline processes and improve efficiency. You need to remain updated with changes in accounting principles, regulations, and technology in order to ensure compliance and best practices. You need to communicate effectively with team members, management, and clients to resolve queries and provide support. So this was it for the role. Here the company has also mentioned about some additional requirements that is related to the system or your work from home setup. This opportunity enhances your work-life balance with allowance for work from home. To be successful, your computer hardware and internet must meet these minimum requirements. So here are the requirements. You should have Windows operating system. Screen size should be at least 14 inches. Screen resolution should be FHD 1920 by 1080, i5 or higher processor, minimum 8 GB RAM, and Windows laptop, any desktop software will work, and internet speed should be at least 100 Mbps. So yeah, so this was it for the role. Now if you're interested, if you think that you could be a good fit for this position, you can apply, and here is the application link. And so yeah, here you can fill up the application form by providing your name, your date of birth, email ID, contact number, address, city, where do you live, and state, postal code, country. So as this job is for India, you can provide here. And then, are you a graduate? Highest educational qualification, stream of study, then passing year, percentage, work experience. So here you can provide about your work experience. Are you presently working? And then rate your English and computer proficiency level. So here you need to provide your English proficiency level for reading, writing, and speaking, and typing speed or Windows OS knowledge, MS Excel knowledge, and then workstation details should be here. Here it is mentioned that you will be required to work between 11 p.m. to 9 a.m. Monday to Friday night. Will you be able to work during this time? So here you need to provide that. So it depends, like after you join the company, or once you get shortlisted, at the time of interview you will be clear about the timings. However, this is sure that this is going to be a night shift job. So as this is a remote work from home opportunity, you will be able to manage the night shift job as well. And all our jobs require you to have broadband or higher internet service available. Will you be able to have this in place at your work location? So here you need to provide that if you have like if you have proper internet connection, and then do you have a PC or laptop, and then broadband speed, and then position you're applying for, and then tell us about yourself, and then resume, attach your resume here, and then how did you hear about us. So yeah, after you complete the application form, you can submit. And I think this is a great opportunity for people with accounting or finance related degrees, and who are willing to work from home or in a remote setting. So yeah, I think go ahead, check out all the details before you apply for the job. And if you think that you could be a good fit for this position, you can apply for this job. Thank you for listening.